Wow, 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 wow.
Iisi ata.
I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasy.
Hey everyone! We are heading out. It's 9:30 p.m. Woo! Nightlife ng matatanda!
Grabe ka naman.
Nightlife ng mga titas and titos of Edmonton. Pupunta lang kaming guys, pupunta lang kaming Neon Light Street, something like
Tsaka
that.
sa bahay-bahay, charot.
Tsaka sa bahay-bahay. Ewan ko sa kanila.
Ay, bagi si Kom
Stay
Suda naman ng Ediko, overlooking ang Edmonton at saka doon sa na din, doon sa may...
City Lights.
Yeah.
Ito nga po pala yung nanay ni Anta Naning.
Ha?
Mas magaling pa yung anak niya na mag-video,
syempre.
mag-vlog.
Pinagsamang yun? Wala.
Yan, so pupunta kami ngayon para naman makagala. Inantay talaga naming magdilim. Ang tagal kasing dumilim. 9 something na nung dumilim. Kaya ngayon kami pupunta. Let's see.
How can I love you been last words? Almost the same as the first ones. But now I'm wondering, did you mean that? Oh, love, not just my love, but my first one. Not just someone that I've learned from, but somebody that I want to be with.
Ito lang naman yung pinuntahan nila.
Malayo.
Ayan. Pinuntahan nila mga kaibigan. Photographer. Ayan. Maraming naka-jersey. Supportive girlfriend ko. Oh, di ba? Wow, 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 wow. Lupit na. Ayan.
Yo! Mas may mahal naman ang bayad nito. Thank you. Ay, ganda. Mahal ng bayad. Iihi ata. Uy, tawin ang mga photo ka mabay.
Picture mo.
Baka kailangan namin gano'n na.
Tapak ko na lang.
Takpan na lang namin.
Sabihin mo kung ano, sakto. Sakto ba? Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Uy, wait lang.
Goal mo yan. Iwan mo lahat. Iwan mo lahat.
Target mo yan eh. Target
Goal mo yan eh.
Tipong focus ka lang sa goal mo.
Focus ka lang sa goal mo.
Kasama naman na focus lang tayo sa goal.
Yung mga conversation na may mindset. Yan, tuloy-tuloy mo. Mindset ba?
I lit the flame, torched the film, and that remains. We had a run and gave it all up. Now I know where I messed up. I let go what I was trying to hold. I said no when I wanted to fold.
Yawa. Construction naman.
Slowly. Ang ganda ng construction.
Ganda na ng ila approaching eh.
Ganda ng ilaw mo, Tess. Construction light.
Bright light.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Your time's important, but you're rewarding. Bad habits and warning signs. Can't see the future, I'm not included. But there's a danger when you hit my line. And there's the fun, you know what you want, but don't care what's left behind. You know it's deeper than that, but I can't seem to put my pride aside. I haven't been tested like this before.
Wow, wow, wow.
Hey
Sana all.
everyone! Sana all!
said no when I want
Maganda mag-picture dito na.
Tapos ano mo yung buhok mo, paharap mo lahat. Tapos maglakad ka ng gano'n. Nung nag-away kami ni Jay, dito kami pumunta. May history kami dito. Habang nag-uusap, ito yung view namin. Diba?
desires. I don't deny I do the same. From long chats to blank games, I haven't been tested like this before. I haven't been tested like this before.
Like this before. Tapos sa pag sa barangay. Sira na ang reputasyon ko. Ganda ko man din ang forma ko. Anyaya dito, mga kapel.
Human drone.
Si Kuya Bang parang nakakaina yan. Tigil-tigil ang kumakaw.
Nanginginig na pala sa lamig.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Move through, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through.
Sabi ko na may tao dun eh.
Nakakakulang yan mga kaibigan.
Magpahod ka pa ha.
I'm just trying to figure out this magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate.
Teles lang pala. Gusto mo yung teles lang picturean ko nga ron.
One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Move through, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic.
Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo na lang po ang part ng ating vlog. Mag-shoutout lang ako sa mga nag-comment po sa aking video na salary computation for USRN, na maraming nag-comment na ganyan lang palang kikitain dito na lang po sa Pilipinas, char, ganon. So, sa mga nag-sign na po ng contract or sa mga gusto pa lang na mag-sign, you might want to see kung paano yung computation dito after tax and all of that, parang mga health insurance. Kung tama ba para sa inyo, kung magiging masaya ba kayo sa rate na ino-offer ng employer ninyo. So, ito is just a sample computation, guys. So, depende yan kung magkano yung offer sa inyo ng agency nyo or ng employer nyo. So, shout out kay Airborean RN, Graciel Fabian, Jem Ruiz, Michelle Prestoza, Pamela Cordero, Karen 951, Info Pinoy, Daisy Ray, Jennifer Casido, Rush, shout out din kay Anjon No Why, Tess Canyonaso, kay Sabukohan, Ibrahim Hailil, Jinky Tagalog, and kay Burok na Taburnok, kay Yani Serencio, kay Claire Fully, shout out din kay Althea Jimenez, Zani Reyes, kay Yani X Opau Palermo, JB Reyes, shout out din kay Jeffrey Charles Agasan, shout out din kay Popot Amos PH, kay RNGWE, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. Kay Ronica Berto, kay AS, kay Frederick Fernandez, kay Rolly, kay Jerome, Miss Julie Diary, Chino Krishnar Ong, Consolacion Mapula, Lex, Sasha, and then kay Ira D, kay Neri Sudesh, Little Miss Tess sa Tucson, and then kay RBJ Travel and Tours. Shout out kay Joel Jimenez at kay Nig Ward. Ayan. So, thank you so much everyone for commenting. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo na panoorin yung video namin. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, na updated ako lagi doon, please follow me with the name JoyOfMia. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
She said no when I wanted to fold. Can learn more about our situation. Cause you posted the thing. I haven't been tested like this before.